my name is Ainin Shafia binti Muhammad Nazri, BME 1906037. My group and I will do a short video about financial institution for subject Entrepreneur Finance, code FIN2533, and I will play as a character as a representative from BSN Bank in this short video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Darimi bin Muhammad Azhar from Dan 6C, and my ID number is BME 1906053, and I am a MIDF bank representative.
Hi, I Iman Syakirin binti Hazrul Aman. My BME number is 1906055 and I am the representative for HSBC Bank.
Hi, my name is Nur Husna Ashikin binti Khair Azhar from Dan 6C. My ID number is BME 1906056 and my role play as a new entrepreneur.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzah binti Jasmiza Burhan. ID number BME 1906001 and I am as Friends of New Entrepreneur.
I want to open a boutique, but I don't know which bank is suitable for me.
Hello.
Assalamualaikum Izzah. How are you? Can I meet you because I have something to ask?
Waalaikumsalam. When will you want to meet me?
Tomorrow at Pak Abu restaurant at 2 p.m.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Hi Izzah, you are beautiful today.
Thank you, you too.
First, let's order some food. Can I have a chicken rice and Milo ice?
Okay, I want ice lemon tea and roti canai. So now, what happened? What is the thing that you want to ask me?
So actually, I want to start a business, but it requires a lot of capital. Actually, I want to open a boutique. I want to make a bank loan, but I don't know which bank is suitable for me to make a business loan.
Oh wow, what a good start! Okay, I have few suggestions for you. There are 3 banks. What if we go to these 3 banks to survey together?
Okay, but first, let's eat.
So Husna, this is the first bank. Let's go find out more about BSN.
Okay.
Welcome to BSN Bank. My name is Ainin Shafia. How can I help you, miss?
So actually, as a new entrepreneur, I want to make a business loan. Can I know the information from this bank for me to make a business loan? I want to start with 50,000 ringgit.
Yes, miss, of course. Let me tell you about some information that I know. Before we start, may I know your name, miss?
My name is Nur Husna Ashikin.
So I will tell you some information about BSN Bank so that you will know some knowledge and short info how to apply the business loan by applying BSN Microplus.
Alright.
So Miss Husna, this is BSN Microplus. This facility is very suitable for working capital for SME in the manufacturing, services, retail or wholesale sector. So I will tell you about the offer first. BSN Microplus is a conventional business loan offered by Bank Simpanan Nasional to micro and small businesses. It is an opportunity for this business owner to expand and grow their businesses to taking it to a new height. So this financing plan allow to borrow anything from 50,000 ringgit to 250,000 ringgit with a flat profit rate from as low as 8.45% per annum with a financing period of 1 to 7 years. So for the application is to be eligible for this particular business loan, the applicant must meet the definition of micro, small or medium enterprise owners as given by the National SME Development Council. They must have a satisfactory financial track record with BSN or any other financial institution. So, the requirement for Miss Malaysian citizen between the age of 21 and 60 years old. Second, the business has been operating continuously in the same line of activity or industry for at least 3 years and existing microfinance customer of BSN. Number 4, for majority of the company's shareholders or the business priority Malaysia. The last one is possess valid registration, certification and license with the Company Commission of Malaysia, which is CCM, or local government authorities or government bodies. So for the installment, there are several ways that can choose to pay the installment. Among them, manual via the saving or current account, using a bank transfer or even an auto debit facility. On that note, this can even do manual bank insurance at any ATM or online banking facility convenient to customer. So I think that's all the brief information related to loan service for BSN Bank. So if you want to contact us, you can call the K line 1300888190, or you can check the website in www.bsn.com.my. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss, for the informations. I will come back later after I make a decision.
Okay, Miss.
So, Husna, what do you think about this bank?
Mm, I'm still thinking about it. Let's go to the next bank.
Okay, let's go. So, Husna, let's take a look at the next bank, which is HSBC.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome to HSBC Bank. My name is Iman Shakirin. How can I help you, Miss?
Alright, so as a new entrepreneur, I want to make a business loan. I want to start with 50,000 ringgit, but I want to know more information about this bank. Can you give me more information?
Yes, Miss, of course. Let me tell you about some details that I know. Before we start, may I know your name, Miss?
My name is Nur Husna Ashikin.
Okay, Miss Husna, I will tell you the details about HSBC Bank so that you will know some procedure how to apply the business loan by using working capital term loan for SME. So, Miss Husna, this is working capital term loan and this services is suitable for working capital for SMEs in short-term working capital loan.
Alright.
What can you get from HSBC business loan? HSBC working capital term loan is an unsecured SME loan with an affordable interest rate, flexible repayment periods, and a high margin of financing. This variable rate business loan is subject to credit guarantee cooperation, approval, and a guarantee cover of 70% on principal balance throughout your tenure. So, the benefits of this HSBC business loan is HSBC business loan for working capital has no lock-in period, meaning you can pay off your outstanding loan balance anytime you want at zero fee. The loan amount up to RM 500,000. The loan tenure is up to 5 years. Margin of financing is 100%. Interest rate is BR plus 6.75%. And effective rate is 10.39%. All companies are eligible to apply for this SME loan from HSBC, provided that you meet the criteria as follows. First, incorporated and operating in Malaysia, 67% controlled by Malaysian, minimum turnover of 500,000 annually, and last, minimum years of operation of 3 years since inception. So these are the fees and charges applied to your HSBC working capital term loan for SME facility. First is stamp duty, Next, disbursement fee. And last one is late penalty fee of 1% for late payment. So you can contact us. Our operation hours is 24 hours. Our care line is 03205575 and 3000. And you can contact us through our website, HSBC Bank Malaysian Berhad.
All right,
So,
thank you, Miss, for the information. I was still thinking about it. I will come back later, and I make a decision. I will contact you. Thank you.
Husna, have you thought about it? Do you feel suitable to make a business loan?
I'm still thinking about it. I want to see the next bank. Let's go.
Okay, for the last bank is MIDF.
Welcome to MIDF Bank. My name is Ahmad Darimi. How can I help you, miss?
So I want to start a new business. I want to make a business loan. I want to start with 50,000 ringgit. Can I know the information from this bank for me to apply the business loan?
Yes, miss. Sure. Let me tell you about some information that I know. Before we start, may I know your name, miss?
My name is Nur Husna Ashikin.
Oh, I will tell you some information about MIDF Bank so that you can know some procedure how to apply the business loan by using SLM, which is soft loan scheme.
All right.
So, Miusna, this is soft loan scheme and this term is suitable for working capital for SME. The function is soft loan scheme for small and medium enterprise by MIDF can existing and newly startup enterprise who are looking for an accessible financing for working capital and fixed asset equations such as premise, machinery, and software. SME can also be used to cover the cost of business premise renovation or upgrade your store front for retail trade. Next, we go to the loan service. Depending on the purpose of your financing, the minimum loan amount you can apply is 50,000 for project and fixed asset financing. The maximum amount you can borrow is 5 million, whereas RM3 millions is capped for working capital and 500,000 for IT hardware and software upgrade. For the fixed asset, IT hardware and software financing, MIDF can provide up to 90% margin of financing. Meanwhile, the margin of financing of working capital range between 80% until 100%. Regardless of the margin and borrowing amount, the facility charges a flat interest rate of 4%. So, who can apply for SLSME business loan? People need to be an SME incorporate under the Company Act 1956 or registration of business ordinance with a valid premise license. The company must also have at least 60% equity held by Malaysians. Terms. The best part about this soft loan for SME is that you can enjoy a grace period before your monthly installment payment commence. For financing of fixed asset, IT hardware and software, the borrowing period can last up to 7 years with a 1 year's grace period, whereas the maximum tenure for term financing for working capitals purpose is 3 years with a grace period of up to 6 months. So you can contact us for more information 0321738888, and you can check out our website midf.com.my. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you, sir, for the informations. I will come back later if I make a decision.
This is the calculation for 3 banks that we choose for the best business loan services. We will go through the calculation for PMT and interest rate charge for MIDF Bank first. The interest rate is 4% and the number of period is 5 years times with 12 months equals to 60 months, and the present value is 50,000 ringgit. So for the next step, 50,000 ringgit times with 4% times with 60 divided by 12 months equals to 10,000 ringgit. Next, from the value calculated above, add it with 50,000 ringgit and divide the total with 60 months. So we get the interest rate charge, which is 1,000 ringgit. So for the next bank, we proceed to the calculation for HSBC Bank. First, the interest rate is 6.75%. Next, the number of period is 5 years with 12 months equals to times with 12 months equals to 60 months, and the present value is 50,000 ringgit. So for the next step, we need to multiply 50,000 ringgit times with 6.75% times with 60 divided by 12 equals to 16,875 ringgit. Next, from the value calculated above, add it with 50,000 ringgit and divide the total with 60 months. So we get the interest rate charge, which is 1,114 ringgit and 54 cents. So the last bank is BSN Bank. First, the interest is 8.45%. Next, the number of period is 5 years with times with 12 months equals to 60 months, and the present value is 50,000 ringgit. So for the next step, we need to multiply 50,000 ringgit times with 8.45% times with 60 divided by 12 equals to 21,125 ringgit. Next, from the value calculated above, add it with 50,000 ringgit and divide the total with 60 months. So we get the interest rate charge, which is 1,185 ringgit and 42 cents. From this calculation, we can see that the best business service is MIDF Bank because its interest rate is the lowest, which is only cost 1,000 ringgit.
Now all the decisions are in your hands. You need to choose which bank is suitable to make the loan and easy to repay.
So I think MIDF Bank is the best bank to make a SME business loan because it has the lowest interest rate charge as stated in the calculations before. I think I already have the answers. Thank you, Isa, for